In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odoo Studio. Odoo Studio is a powerful tool that allows you to tailor your Odoo experience to meet your unique business needs. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge to navigate and customize your Odoo environment effectively. Let's dive right in. To begin with, let's ensure that you have the Studio app installed in your Odoo instance. This is crucial because without it, you won't be able to access any of the features we're going to explore today. After confirming its installation, navigate to any module within your Odoo platform. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice an icon that looks like a wrench and screwdriver crossed together. This is your doorway to the Studio mode. Simply click on it to activate Studio mode. Now that Studio mode is activated, on the left side of your screen, you'll find a panel packed with a wide array of customization options. These include different views such as Form, List, Kanban, Calendar, and Pivot. Keep in mind that each view serves a unique purpose. The Form view, for instance, is ideal for detailed records, while the List view is perfect for displaying data in a straightforward, tabular format. Understanding these differences can greatly enhance how you organize and interact with your data. You'll also discover options for reports and automation. With automation, you can create actions and set up triggers that respond dynamically to changes within your system, streamlining repetitive tasks and enhancing efficiency. Additionally, Studio offers features for translations and access rules, allowing you to customize language settings and user accessibility to better suit your organization's needs. Another exciting feature is the menu editor, which provides you with the ability to adjust the structure and layout of your Odoo menus to improve navigation. Additionally, you have the Conditional Properties tool at your disposal, which lets you set rules like visibility and read-only logic to tailor user interaction with the fields in your database. For those seeking more advanced customization, the XML editor is available. This feature is perfect for users familiar with XML who want to make precise and sophisticated adjustments beyond the scope of Odoo's standard options. In this Studio environment, you can enrich your modules by adding new elements. Whether you're looking to add tabs, columns, or fields, be they text, number, relational, or even images, this is done simply by dragging them from the customization panel onto your workspace. Once added, you have the option to configure each element further. You can set labels, add helpful tooltips, apply visibility restrictions, and even define default values. By exploring and leveraging these functionalities, you can transform your Odoo interface to reflect the intricate requirements of your business, helping you manage operations more effectively. So, go ahead and unleash the full potential of Odoo Studio to create a customized work environment that works best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing!